Welcome to this tutorial on customizing charts within the Universal Dashboard driver. Let's dive right in. To add a chart, locate the plus button located in the top right corner of the dashboard. From the menu, select the desired chart type. For this example, we'll choose a line chart. Now let's customize our chart. Click the settings icon to open the configuration panel. Here, you can set the chart title and select the desired time interval. Next, let's add variables to the chart. Click the Add New Variable button. Input the variable name, unit, and choose a line color. Once you've added your variables, click the Save icon to apply the changes. To connect variables, switch to the Composer, Actions, and click on Link Variable button. Select the dashboard variable and the linked variable from the drop-down menus. For this example, we'll link the Tempest WeatherFlow air temperature and relative air humidity variables. To see what variables are connected to Universal Dashboard, go to Connections, where you can also unbind them, or bind them to another driver binding. After setting up the chart and linking variables, it may take a while for the graph to populate with the necessary data. Let's check the chart again to see if the data has been populated. As you can see, the chart now displays temperature and humidity data for the past 6 hours. This process can be applied to all chart types within the Universal Dashboard. Experiment with different chart types and customizations to visualize your data effectively. Thank you for watching. For more information and expert support, visit hopsoft.com.au or contact us at support@hopsoft.com.au. We're here to help you every step of the way.